Hi, my name is Kara. I'm just doing my introductory video to answer your question about why I chose this point in my life to go back for my master's degree. I've been working as a case manager for a long time. I got my bachelor's degree in social work back in 2005 and have had various case manager positions since then. Most recently, for the past almost 4 years, I've been working for a private foster care agency out of the Allentown area in Pennsylvania. The company is run by a husband and wife team, very small grassroots organization. And a couple years ago, after working there, I learned that at some point they're probably going to sell the company, they're going to want to retire. And at that point, we're not sure what would happen, whether we'd all keep our jobs or if the company would just be completely sold or whatever. So at that point in time, which could be within the next 7 or so years, I'm not sure, if I'd still have a job, if I'd need to look for a new job. And when I found out that information a while ago, I just thought, if this changes in the next year or next couple of years, I don't know that I want to go back to case management. I think I would want to do and be something more, which led me to pursuing my master's. I also just want to do more with my career as a social worker than simply case management. And I know there's other opportunities out there, but I definitely am interested in working more at the top, being able to implement more change and things like that, rather than kind of the more entry-level positions that you can get with just a bachelor's degree. So it was a good time in my life. My job is very flexible, so I can kind of go to school and do, be able to do my job and fulfill my commitments there. That's pretty much it. That's everything. And so my decision to go back was really pretty much based on, it was kind of just the right time and, potential career changes in the future. Thanks.